Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect printer with Zotac Gaming handheld. And to do this, first you will need to read the manual or alternatively watch one of our videos on how to enter pairing mode or connect your printer with your PC device. And we have most of the tutorials for any printer that is available. You can check our channel if you're interested. So anyway, when you have that knowledge on how to connect your printer with other devices, we can open the settings on our Zotac Gaming handheld. Then select Bluetooth and devices, scroll down to devices section and click on add device. Then click on printers and scanners. Then we can find add device here and wait till your printer is available. Now you can click on add device to connect with your printer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.